After examining this chart, the undergraduate tuition fees for full-time students, I was looking at overall trends in regards to the increase in tuition that has occurred in all fields over time. What I tended to look at was some of the discrepancies. So I leaned towards education and seeing it on the lower side, and looking at something like medicine. I actually created some questions just in terms of society's value in regards to these professions, and the value that we place in medicine, that we pay doctors. They are well paid in many areas in the country, and just looking at whether or not, for those going into education, that it would pay them as well, seeing as they have lower tuition fees. Are there more people going into education so that it would even out the amount of money that the universities would make? So I would ask questions about how many individuals or students are being accepted into these two programs to account for the differential between the two fields. One thing that I did notice, in addition to comparing those two, was when you look at nursing. And I know the field of nursing has changed over time, and that it now requires a university degree in order to become an RN. I would have questions about the increased amount that they are paying, and whether or not that's just to university or whether that's college to university splits, or what has accounted for the generally less amount of tuition that they pay in compared to some of the other fields of medicine, such as dentistry and even medicine going into medical science.